What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute, really simple floral wreath. What you will need is the Grapevine wreath ring, a vine of flowers. I like the ones that are very bendy so that it can curve around, and some ribbon. I chose this satin 7/8 inch ribbon just because it looked really pretty. So we're going to get started. This wreath ring is 12 inches. I purchased it at the dollar store. And these flowers, I like the vine that kind of, like I said, kind of curves, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve this vine of flowers in the top right corner of the wreath. And we don't need the bottom, so I'm just going to cut that off. And what I'm going to do is just hot glue this down in place so that it's just like this. But I like that this part is loose and it has some movement to it. Alright, just like that. Really simple but very cute. Next thing I'm going to do is take the ribbon, and you can actually use burlap if you'd like. You can use thicker ribbon, thinner ribbon. You can really just have fun with this. And take some hot glue just to secure the first piece. To start all the way back there. Then just going to loop it around and around. Okay. And you can also make the loops wider or, closer together. I think this looks nice, so I'm just going to stick with that. There we go. Okay, all the way until right at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Take some more hot glue and then glue that down. Just so it's not moving around, I'm just going to take a dot of glue. We are almost done. And see how sweet and adorable it looks already. I'm just going to place it in the bottom left corner opposite of the flowers. You could hot glue it down, or you can just use your floral wire to tie it down. Just like that. Again, you could just make a normal bow if you'd like, but I just thought this looked adorable. Finishing touch, I'm just going to ribbon cut the ends. Just fold it in half, put the fold on the top, and cut diagonal. You could definitely use thicker ribbon, colorful ribbon, whatever you'd like. Very simple, very easy to do.